Kilala niyo po ba si Miss Paterna?
Yes po.
Can you elaborate po kung paano niyo po kilala siya? Paano mo po siya kilala?
Naging staff po siya ng corporation po. Ng company.
Can we know which specific company po yan?
Pwede ko i-double check kasi that time kasi hindi pa po ako hindi ko alam everything po.
Okay po.
Sa knowledge ko po, naging empleyado po siya, yes po.
Confirm that kilala niyo rin po si Miss Mascareñas?
Na totally kilala, pero nakikita po.
Nakikita.
Yes po.
May we know po kung paano niyo po kilala si Miss Mascareñas?
Nakikita po sa company noon.
Si Miss Mascareñas, if she would recall which corporation she has dealt with Miss Ong?
Dragonwood System po.
Dragonwood System po. And this is the same corporation, a certain Mr. Duaren Wu
Yes.
was also involved?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. Miss Cassandra Ong. Mr. Chair, Miss Ong, magandang gabi po. Matanong na po, may we know saan po kayo nakatira ngayon dito sa Pilipinas?
Sa Porac po. Porac, Pampanga.
Sa Porac. Meron po ba kayong residence sa Binondo, Manila?
Noon po.
No. Kailan po kayo lumipat sa Porac?
Year 2019?
2019.
Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali. Sa knowledge ko po, 2019.
Kayo po ba ay, through the chair most respectfully, kayo po ba ay marunong mag-Chinese?
Yes po.
Ito po ay Hokkien or Mandarin?
Marunong po both content.
Both.
Yeah. But not totally fluent.
Read and write po ba?
No.
So, sorry. So, nakakasalita po kayo ng Hokkien and Mandarin?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Neither read nor write. So, kahit alin doon, di po niyo kaya.
Yes. Some other word kaya naman po.
Okay. Sige.
But not totally. All.
Okay. Miss Ong, kayo po ay nauugnay sa ilang mga korporasyon. Kasama po dito yung Whirlwind and Lucky South 99 po. Tama po ba?
Ayun po yung nakita ko sa balita.
I'm sorry?
Ayun po yung nakita ko sa balita. Na ang sabi po ng balita po.
I'm sorry, baka hindi po klaro yung tanong or baka ako pa yung nalilito. Are you associated with the corporations Whirlwind and Lucky South 99?
Yes po.
Yes, associate po kayo. At naintindihan po ninyo na your position in these corporations na kung saan naugnay po kayo, sa pagkakalam po ninyo, ito po ay na-organize for legitimate purposes?
Yes po.
Sa pagkakalam nyo. And that all transactions entered by these corporations are all valid and legal. Sa pagkakaalam po ninyo.
Pwede pa kayo ulit po, Mr. Chair?
Okay. I'll repeat na po na baka kaya naman in English.
Salamat.
Ms. Ong, you are associated with a number of corporations, including Whirlwind Corporation and Lucky South 99, to which you have just agreed now po. Is it your position that these corporations with which you are associated were organized for legitimate purpose? Sabi nyo, opo. And
yes,
as a caveat po, and that all transactions entered by these corporations are all valid and legal?
Yes po.
Thank you po. So, Ms. Ong, kasama po sa inyong trabaho, nabanggit po ninyo dati na nagsimula po kayo as EA. Tama po ba?
Ayun po yung alam po ng other people, but not, hindi po.
Okay, so that's not where you started. Will you share with us po kung saan po kayo nagsimula?
Pwede po ako mag-refuse to...
Of course. But I have to ask lang po, can you explain po your refusal? Bakit po kayo nag-refuse na sagutin itong tanong?
For privacy reason po.
Okay, thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
So, you are involved with these corporations. You will not tell us where you started. Pero would you say po na you have assumed the position na marami po kayong hinahandle na applications? Tama po ba ito?
Pwede ko po malaman anong application po yung tinutukoy niyo?
In general, business permits, PAGCOR, SEC applications.
Meron po other, like PAGCOR is this year lang. I'm sorry, way back 2023 po. And 2019 lang po. 19.
Ito po. Before I continue, I just want to express my sincere appreciation po na kayo po ay sumasagot sa mga katanungan na ito. I just want you to know po na talagang appreciated po ng representation na ito, and I'm sure by our Quadcom members. So, you have some experience po. May experience po kayo sa pag-apply, processing ng application papers. Oh.
Yes po. Sa corporation.
Certain, sa corporations po.
Yes.
And would you say po it has become part of your work to be dealing with the application of corporations?
All po.
Sorry?
Not all po.
Not all. Pero I mean, sige po. Let me rephrase na lang po, no? Since that you've mentioned po, no, that you have dealt with applications of corporations, nag-deal rin po kayo sa applications of other corporations, hindi lang po Whirlwind. Tama po ba?
Yes po.
Would you care to share with us what other corporations po you have dealt with for yung mga applications na ito?
Lucky South po. Lucky South 99.
Walang iba po ba?
What kind of papers po? And I mean, what kind of application po yung tinutukoy natin?
Sige po, let's make it specific lang. Let's say application for incorporation sa SEC.
No.
No, just Whirlwind and Lucky South.
Yes po.
Okay.
Meron pong mga staff for that po.
Okay. Sa PAGCOR naman po, is it just Whirlwind and Lucky South?
Sa PAGCOR, it's Lucky South only po.
Lucky South only. Thank you. In the case po that you were handling this corporation, siguro po, mali po yung term ko, no? Na kayo po yung nag-handle ng application. Na-involve po ba kayo sa incorporation ng ibang pang mga korporasyon? Kayo po ba ay naging stockholder or officer ng iba pa pong mga korporasyon sa pagkakaalam po ninyo?
You mean, kasama po ba doon yung Whirlwind po?
Aside from Whirlwind, ibang mga korporasyon,
Yes po.
would you recall kung ano pa po itong mga ibang korporasyon na kayo po ay kasama o officer?
Pwede ko na lang isend po sa committee na to after ko i-check po sa record ko.
Okay, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you, Ms. Ong po. Okay, I'll work specific na lang po on one. Familiar po kayo sa Fujian Sheng Amoy Real Estate?
Can I double check it po?
Do you have records with you po now, or do you get
Yung
back to
phone
us?
ko po kasi right now, nasa MBI po, hindi pa po binabalik sa akin. So, I cannot check and hindi ko po malagay lahat ng phone ko dahil other details like email po, nandoon po. So, hindi pa po binabalik ng MBI yung mga phones ko.
Sige po.
Salamat.
So, you'll get back to us at a later time. Yan po.
Once na binalik po ng MBI yung phone ko,
Okay, thank you. To refresh your memory po, sa Fujian Sheng Amoy, baka po maalala po ninyo, kasama po the, apologies, let me direct my question please, Mr. Chair, respectively to Ms. Paterna. Hi. Ms. Paterna, naalala po ba ninyo being an incorporator of a certain Fujian Sheng Amoy Corporation?
hindi po.
You do not recall po?
Hindi po.
Thank you. May we ask, Madam Chair, si Ms. Mascareñas, familiar po ba yung Fujian Sheng Amoy, the corporation?
No po.
Not to the person. Thank you, Mr. Chair. I will now return the question, Madam Chair, to Mr. Chair, to Ms. Ong. Sorry, Ms. Ong. So, sige po, we will leave the questions on the corporation later on, but we'll come back to that later on po siguro. Now po that you're more in a mood to cooperate, maybe ask po, kilala niyo po ba si Ms. Paterna?
Yes po.
Can you elaborate po kung paano niyo po kilala siya? Paano mo po siya kilala?
Naging staff po siya ng corporation po. Ng company.
Can we know which specific company po yan?
Pwede ko i-double check kasi that time kasi hindi pa po ako hindi ko alam everything po.
Okay po.
Sa knowledge ko po, naging empleyado po siya, yes po. But which company, can I double check it po?
Sige po. Would you recall na lang po which office yon na naging staff po siya? Which office yung nakasama niyo po siya? Yung physical location? Ito po ba yung PORAC?
Yes po.
So, just to be clear po, Ms. Ong, yung PORAC po is the same area of operation ng Lucky South 99, pero hindi pa po klaro kung anong korporasyon kasama po.
Yes po. I'm gonna make sure lang po kasi
Okay,
under
sure.
oath po ako.
Of course, of course. And that's,
Maraming salamat
that's
po.
perfectly understandable. And Ms. Ong, would you care to clarify or confirm that kilala niyo rin po si Ms. Mascareñas?
Na totally kilala, pero nakikita po.
Nakikita.
Yes po.
May we know po kung paano niyo po kilala si Ms. Mascareñas?
Nakikita po sa company noon, sa company ng ninong ko po.
Company ng ninong?
Yes po.
Sino po yung ninong niyo po?
Si Mr. Doran Wu po.
So si Mr. Duaren Wu is your ninong po?
Yes po.
And ano po yung, would you recall kung anong company po? Sorry, baka naulit ito. Kung anong company po yun with si Ms. Mascareñas?
Again, pasensya na po. Can I double check it po? Kasi I cannot recall anymore po.
Of course po, thank you. Ms. Mascareñas, through the chair, most respectfully, may we ask you, Ms. Mascareñas, if she would recall which corporation she has dealt with Ms. Ong?
Dragonwood System po.
Dragonwood System po. And this is the same corporation, a certain Mr. Duaren Wu
Yes.
was also involved?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. Babalik po ako kay Ms. Ong. Mr. Chair, maybe ask si Ms. Ong po if, I'm not sure, point of inquiry first with the committee secretary. Mr. Chair, may we verify if Mr. Cunanan is present here today?
Yes, he is present. Can we ask Mr. Dennis Cunanan to please occupy the chair?
Mr. Chair, most respectfully, may I just ask si Ms. Ong kung kilala niya po ba yung taong yan, si Mr. Cunanan? Sir, through the chair, most respectfully, may we ask that the mask be removed? Ayun.
Okay.
So Ms. Ong, Mr. Chair, familiar po ba si Mr. Cunanan sa inyo?
Yes po.
May you clarify po kung paano niyo po siya nakikilala?
Nakilala ko siya through one of the staff of the company.
One of the, I would assume we're not sure po kung alin na company po ito, no? Not yet.
Lucky South.
Through Lucky South. So isang staff po. Would you care to share with us po kung sinong staff po yun nagpakilala sa'yo kay Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Si Shirley po. I forgot yung English name niya.
So Chinese po ba? Chinese
Yes.
po siya?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not sure if Chinese or other nationality po.
Opo. So Ms. Ong, through this Chinese person, si Ms. Shelley, nakilala niyo po si Mr. Dennis Cunanan. Can you confirm po if you have undergone any transactions with Mr. Cunanan? Siya po ay tumulong po ba sa inyo through any application in any agency whatsoever?
Pwede ko i-recall ulit.
Okay,
I'm sorry
of
po,
course.
pasensya na po.
Of course, that's understandable. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, may I ask si Ms. Ong kung kilala niya po si Mr. De La Serna? Mr. Chair, apologies, may I ask Mr. De La Serna to stand
Yes
up?
po.
Okay, not necessary. Kilala po. Paano po ninyo kilala si Mr. De La Serna, Mr. Chair?
Attorney Harry Roque po.
Through Attorney Harry Roque.
Yes po, sa isang dinner na meron po akong meeting with Attorney Harry Roque that time. Tapos po, tinanong lang naman po ako kung pwede mag-drain yung dati niyang tao po. So, syempre, wala naman pong so I said yes po.
Thank you. At Ms. Ong, Mr. Chair, yung dinner na po yan, at least between you and Mr. Roque, business concern po yun?
Regarding po sa case po sa company po namin.
Would it be correct to assume ito yung kaso po ng Whirlwind sa rent sa ejectment, tama po ba?
Yes po.
Okay, thank you. And just to be clear, wala pong kinalaman according to you si Mr. De La Serna. Invited guest lang po siya.
Yes po.
Thank you. Mr. Chair, so paano niyo po, you've already confirmed this actually, si Mr. Duan Ren Wu, siya po ay inyong ninong from baptism, tama po ba?
Okay.
From ninong niyo po sa kung binyag?
Wala pong binyag kasi sa Chinese, so my mother is a Chinese po. So wala siyang binyag sa Chinese, so no record po at all. But si Mr. U, let's call him Mr. U or my ninong, best friend siya ng mom ko.
Best friend ng mom niyo?
Yes po.
Sorry, hindi po kasi kami, hindi po ako familiar sa culture po ng Chinese. Ano po bang ibig sabihin nun pag ninong po niyo na walang baptism? Is this just a symbolism na close po yung mom niyo and si Mr. Wu, or?
Kinuha po siya I think kinuha po siya ng mom ko as my ninong.
So,
ninong talaga
ninong,
po.
so,
Yeah,
baptism?
Yeah. Wala po sa
Okay. Walang records lang po?
Yes po.
Oh, okay. Sige po. Given that, Mr. Chair, would it refresh you po if we showed you some documents po siguro ng corporations? Mr. Chair, may we ask the COMSEC to assist us in perhaps showing her these documents? I will be presenting po the GIS of Fujian Cheng Amoy Real Estate Corporation.
Comsec, a page. Can you please get the document and show it to Miss Cassie Ong?
May I please confirm po?
Habang hinihintay natin yan. Matagal mo na bang kakilala si Mr. Dennis Cunanan? Miss Cassie Ong? Matagal mo na bang kakilala si Mr. Dennis Cunanan?
Kakilala mo. Parang kakilala lang po.
So, siya ba ay empleyado ng iyong kumpanya?
I think kinuha siya ni Shelly.
Shelly. Who is Shelly?
I forgot his English name po eh.
So he's one of the owners?
No.
Si Shelly.
No.
So ano siya? Anong role niya dyan sa kumpanya?
Manager po.
Manager.
Yes
so
po.
kinuha ni Shelly si Mr. Cunanan.
Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, yes po. Pero hindi po ako sigurado.
Okay.
Opo.
So, pero ikaw ba, nakakausap mo ba siya? Personal, nagkakausap ba kayo?
Sobrang dalang lang po.
Sobrang dalang.
As in super dalang lang po.
So, wala bang nagkaroon ba ng pagkakataon na ikaw ay merong ibinigay na pera kay Mr. Cunanan?
Pwede pong hindi ko muna sagot.
Okay, sige.
For privacy. I'm sorry.
Sige.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you. Paige, please show the document, COMSEC. May I advise her on the legal document?
Yeah. Okay lang po. Maraming salamat po.
Ito yung document po dyan.
Please give it back to... please proceed with your question.
Mr. Chair, the purpose of which that I've provided that document was perhaps to refresh the memory of Ms. Ong. Ms. Ong mentioned earlier that she would prefer to have the documentary evidence be refreshed via her email or phone, but I figured that perhaps by providing the GIS and AOI, which we can certify at the latter time, perhaps she would be refreshed. So I think it's sufficient that she has had the time to peruse the documents. I mean, may oras na po kayong may examine po yung documents?
Pwede ko po, gusto ko po kasi sigurado po ako sa lahat ng sasagutin ko dito. Kaya still update.
Understandable. Mr. Chair, but just to clarify, with after seeing the documents po, hindi pa rin po familiar yung Fujian Sheng Amoy? Mr. Chair, just to clarify, hindi rin naman problema po, no? Kung hindi po siya familiar, okay lang rin po. Just wanted to clarify. As of now...
gusto ko po lang siguraduhin muna po yung, okay.
Kahit konting familiarity, wala pong indication. Based on the fellow incorporators, given na kasama po yung ninong ninyo dyan, hindi po.
Possible familiar, pero again, hindi ko po sigurado ko, kaya ayaw ko po sumagot.
Of course, understandable. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, may we ask, most respectfully, the COMSEC to share the documents with Ms. Baterna?
COMSEC?
Mr. Chair, siguro po may oras na rin po si Ms. Baterna nakakita po ng document. May we ask po, Ms. Baterna, familiar po ba yung document sa inyo?
Hindi po talaga, Mr. Chair.
Hindi po talaga?
Hindi po.
Pero nakita po na yung pangalan po ninyo ay naisama po dyan as incorporator?
Opo.
Tama. Pero not familiar, even given na magkasama po kayo dyan ni Ms. Ong and ni Ms. Duan Renru?
Hindi po talaga.
Okay, salamat po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. The documents would be, that would suffice po. Thank you, COMSEC. So, Mr. Chair, I would like to return my questioning po kay Ms. Ong. Yeah, Mr. Chair, I'd like to direct my questions to Ms. Ong. Ms. Ong, salamat po for confirming at least after seeing the documents. May we ask, Mr. Chair, is Ms. Ong familiar po ba kayo kay Mr. Xiang Ji?
Pwede pa kayo ulit po yung name?
Siguro hindi po tama yung aking pronunciation, pero it's spelled as Z-H-I-A-N-G space J-E. Xiang Ji.
Right here.
Oh, thanks, Mr. Chair.
Hello?
Mr. Chair, may I ask for a moment to just, baka better I'll just produce the documents for Ms. Ong so that she may familiarize it.
Okay. While waiting for the next question to be asked by Congressman Rog Gutierrez, mayroon akong isang tanong kay Ms. Mascareñas. Ms. Mascareñas,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
isa ka ba sa mga incorporators ng Lucky South 99? Nung ito'y nirehistro?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, nung nag-apply ng SEC, isa po ako sa incorporators.
Isa ka dun sa ano?
Opo. Pero nung SEC pa lang po yan na apply, if I'm not mistaken.
So, hanggang ngayon ba, ikaw ay isa ka pa rin incorporator dyan sa Lucky South?
Sa totoo lang, Mr. Chair, hindi ko na alam. Kasi po, 2019, ang alam ko, lumabas yung SEC, pero as far as I know, hindi po siya na tuloy yung pag-apply niya ng mga permits or yung ano, kasi nga, malis na ako. So, alam ko, totally tagal na ako kasi yung sa Whirlwind, nag-transfer na kami ng shares para wala na akong connection sa company at that time na, tatagalin na po ako. So, nagtataka din po ako bakit nandito ako ngayon kasi ang alam ko wala na dapat akong connection sa kanila, and nalaman ko lang po siguro a few years ago or late na yung pangalan ko nagagamit pa rin sa Smart kasi may resibo na nare-receive dati si mama ko. So hindi ko siya pinansin until such time po na nagkaroon na po ng issue na ganito.
No.
Pero hindi ko alam yung details, Mr. Chair.
Yung bang sila yung tatlong incorporators, kilala mo?
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Never ko silang na-meet before.
Hindi, because base sa records na hawak natin, sila ay incorporators din nung Lucky South 99. Tama, Mr. Linsangan?
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami yung incorporator doon sa paper ngayon na nilagay nila yung pangalan namin. Kami po ay ginawa nila kaming stockholder and officers po.
Yan ang iyong depensa. Dahil sabi mo, identity theft, di ba? Yan ang sinasabi mo nung una dito sa committee ito.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
But base dun sa records at sa dokumentong hawak namin, at kanina tinanong ni Chairman Dan Fernandez na hindi ka lang incorporator, officer ka pa bilang presidente nitong kumpanyang ito. So alam mo ba kung ano yung operation niyang kumpanyang yan?
No, Your Honor. Victim lang po talaga kami ng identity theft dito, Your Honor. And actually, Your Honor, lahat po ng pirma dun sa nakuha namin document is forged po and falsified po.
So lahat falsified yung mga dokumento niyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
So halimbawa, merong isang membro nitong committee ito, sabihin na kayo ba ay willing pumirma ng waiver para ipakita inyong bank account, bank records, nang sa ganun ay mapatunayan kung meron bang transmittal ng pera mula sa isang kumpanya papunta sa inyo. Pipirma ba kayo?
Your Honor, pwede naman po namin pakita yung statement of account namin, Your Honor, with this committee, Your Honor.
Yung history,
Yes, Your Honor. Pwede po namin
pwede
ipakita.
niyo ipakita.
Opo.
Hindi ba mas maganda na magwi-waiver kayo para lahat ng transaksyon niyo mula nang inopen niyo yung account ninyo hanggang sa ngayong gabi, pwede pa nating makita?
Your Honor, kasi yung account ko is joint account po with my wife po.
Well, hindi naman na dahil lang naman makakita tayo lang lahat dito sa room na to. So, kailangan nating makumbinsi kayo na kayo ay pumirma ng waiver nang sa ganon, ma-check natin yung records ng yung bank transaction nyo. Kagaya nung pinirmahan ni Miss Paterna. Siya ay, di ba, Miss Paterna, pumirma ka ng waiver. No. So, kayong tatlo ni Mr. Ong at saka si Mr. Ong and Mr. Chan and Mr. Linsangan, are you willing to sign a waiver?
At this point, Your Honor, no, Your Honor, but we can submit all the statement of account, Your Honor.
Okay. So, in other words, sa ngayon, ayaw nyo. Di madaling kumuha ng bank statement di ba?
Yes,
Yung bang kailan ka nag-open ng account? Halimbawa, nag-open ka 2010. Pwede bang makapagbigay ka ng bank statement mula 2010 hanggang ngayong gabi? Hanggang ngayong araw?
Tatanong ko po sa bangko kung kausapin ko ba yung bangko.
Sige. Yun lang. Gusto lamang namin malaman kung willing ka mag-pirma ng waiver. Dahil sa ngayon, ang iyong depensa, identity theft. At base sa dokumentong hawak namin, ito ay hindi ka panipaniwala. Kaya yan ang kaya ka namin sinasabihan na the only way for us to be convinced dahil walang pumasok na pera sa inyo. Dahil gaya ng sinabi nyo nung unang beses kayo humarap dito, si Mr. Ong ay empleyado, si Mr. Chan ay empleyado rin, At ikaw din, sabi mo, empleyado.
Yes, Your Honor, and may mga side hustle po, Your Honor.
Assuming meron ka mga side hustle, yung kaninang sinabi ni Chairman Dan, may 16 million kang transaksyon.
Yes, Your Honor, yun po yung pinagbentahan ng property ng Sabuting Kahoy, Your Honor.
Ikaw may-ari ng property?
No, Your Honor, representative lang po, Your Honor.
Bakit nasa iyo yung pera?
Ako po yung representative, Your Honor.
Ano yun, commission mo o ano?
Tinransfer po yun, lahat yun sa may-ari, Your Honor.
So, yung may-ari, sino may-ari ng lupa?
Hindi ko po matandaan, Your Honor, babalikan ko po yung documents, Your Honor.
Meron pumasok sa account mo na 16 million pesos.
Yes, Your Honor.
At sabi mo ay hindi sa'yo dahil
Yes, sir.
ikaw ay representative lang ng may-ari ng lupa. Di
Yes,
ba?
sir.
Tinatanong kita, sino may-ari ng lupa?
Hindi ko po
Okay.
kukunin, dadaling ko po yung deed of sale, Your Honor.
O sige, anyway, hiningi naman kanina ni Chairman Dam yung deed of sale nitong lupang sinasabi mong nabenta nyo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Pagbibigyan ka namin dyan. Congressman Roch, please proceed with your question.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, just for refresher of the committee, documents regarding the application of POGO for Lucky South 99 outsourcing submitted October 1, 2020 were submitted to Ms. Ong for her perusal, and I believe she's had the appropriate amount of time to go through it. Ngayon po, Ms. Ong, through the Chair, Most Honorable, nakita po ninyo yung documents po, no? At nakita niyo po yung portion nung tungkol dun kay Mr. Xiang Che.
Yes po.
Familiar po ba si Mr. Jeseo?
Empleyado po siya ng company.
Empleyado po siya ng company. Wala po ba siyang position sa the company being Lucky South 99 po, no?
Dati po siyang shareholder, pero noon po.
Sorry, can you...
Dati po.
Dati-
Shareholder ng Lucky
shareholder.
South.
Dating shareholder.
Yes po.
Was he at any time po, sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, president of Lucky South 99?
Double check ko po ulit. Pasensya na po talaga.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. And just to clarify po, no, since na kataon po kayo, you had the opportunity to go through the documents. A few pages back, yung specimen signature card. Signature niyo po yung nakalagay po dito. Mr. Chair, through the chair, I'd like to provide the signature, the specimen signature card for the perusal of Ms. Ong.
Page, can you please... Congressman Gutierrez, I think she's ready.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Hindi ko po sure, pero again, gusto ko sana ma-check yung phone ko, yung lahat ng documents na na-sign ko or ano. Kaso po may problema, yung phone ko, since nahuli po ako sa Batam, Indonesia, until ngayon, hindi pa po binabalik ang cellphone ko. So, hindi ko ma-sure yung lahat ng details.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. For the record po, Mr. Chair, I'd just like to share that the document that was presented was the specimen signature card portion of the application kit of the POGO for Lucky South 99 outsourcing. And in that page, it was indicated that the representative for Lucky South 99 would be facilitated by Mr. Dennis Conanan, and it was approved by supposedly Ms. Cassie Ong. It should also be important to note, Mr. Chair, that along with that, in the other portions of the document, Mr. Xiang Ji has been indicated as president. And Mr. Chair, I'd like to ask si Ms. Ong po, sa pagkakaalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Xiang Ji?
Singaporean.
Singaporean. But is he of Chinese descent, or may Chinese po ba siya? Ang kanyang pangalita po ba ay Mandarin or
Pag Singaporean po, nakakapagsalita po ng Chinese.
Singapore Chinese?
Opo.
Just to clarify po, no, kasi meron rin Singaporean na Malaysian, may Singaporean din na Indian, pero
Okay, sorry.
so Chinese Singaporean po siya, and he speaks Chinese. Kayo po ba, when you are talking to, you've had the opportunity to talk with Mrs. Xiang Qing?
Madalang lang po.
Madalang. And in those, sa mga panahon po na yun, ang pag-ugnayan po ninyo ay in Chinese or in English?
Both.
Both naman po. Thank you. Mr. Chair, in addition to that, also in the document, it indicates other names for which I would like to present po siguro sa COMSEC for later verification if they have been invited. But I will make the motion at a later time. Mr. Chair, going back po, no? In the case of Mr. Doon po sa inyong ninong, si Mr. Duan Wu, sa pagkakalam po ninyo, ano po yung nationality ni Mr. Wu?
Pwede po hindi po magana kasi hindi po siya,
Not familiar.
yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Pero sa inyong pag-coordinate, pag-usap kay Mr. Wu, kay ninong po niyo, ito po ay Filipino, English, Chinese?
Chinese po.
Chinese po.
Yes po.
Nakakasalita po ba si Mr. Wu ng Filipino?
English.
English and
Pero
Chinese.
not fluent.
Not fluent. And is it correct to say, it was mentioned earlier, na kayo po ay translator ni Mr. Wu actually?
Naging translator po way back. Nagpatulong po sa way back 2019 po. After my mom passed away.
May we know po siguro, sorry to hear that. May we know po siguro kung what business he would ask for your help in translating? Ano po ba usually? Very general lang po siya or may business related?
Pwede hindi ko po, But again, it's all privacy.
Okay. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I'd just like to go back now, step back. You mentioned po no, that you've known personally si Mr. Harry Roque. And this is through a professional relationship as abogado po ng Whirlwind.
Tama po, abogado po ng Whirlwind.
Aware po ba si Ms. Ong with the fact that when the PORAC raid was conducted, there were documents that were found relating to Mr. Roque? Familiar po ba siya sa facts na yun?
Nakita ko po siya sa news.
Sa news na po.
Pero hindi ako familiar with all the documents na lumabas po.
In her experience po, in the filing of the documents of Lucky South 99, in her time as an employee of Lucky South 99, kayo po, did you ever come across sa pangalan ni Mr. Harry Roque sa documentation?
Pwede pa ulit po.
In your time po as employee of Lucky South 99, did you ever come across the name Harry Roque in any documentation relating to corporate papers?
No.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, this representation actually has questions for Mr. Harry Roque. We lament the fact that unfortunately he has indicated that he is busy today and that I will have to reserve my questions for that latter time. With that, Mr. Chair, I have one more question and I'd like to direct it to the chairman of the PAGCOR. Most respectfully, Mr. Chair, may we ask Chairman Tenko, just for an idea po, no, kasi nabanggit ni ni Chairman Fernandez yung scope actually. It really underscores yung importance itong hearing na meron pa rin possibly may mga namamatay pa rin sa Region 3 regarding Pogo. Can the good Chairman clarify, is it only in Region 3 po na meron tayong Pogo?
Ngayon po, Congressman Gutierrez, wala pong ibang probinsya na merong existing licensee ang PAGCOR except in Cavite. But in other regions, wala na po. Metro Manila po ang nakararami sa ngayon.
So that's Region 3, Metro Manila, and then Cavite. Tama po ba?
Region 4, yes.
Region 4. Mr. Chair, through you, maybe ask also, perhaps, may PAGCOR provide this committee a list of all the licensees for Pogo, just so that we have an understanding also of the scope of which we're having an investigation here. Because
we will provide you the present list of the licensees that is the current list of licensees. We have 42 as of today.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Gutierrez.
And in addition to that, as part of your monitoring, maybe also ask, although I know you mentioned prior that it might have been beyond your mandate, but as far as the PAGCOR would be able to help us, maybe ask also for a list of the unlicensed POGO operations that they have monitored, just for our perusal.
Yes. What we can give you, what we can provide Congressman Gutierrez will be the list of the former licensees when I was appointed, so that was about 298. And then when we cleaned it up and purged it, with 42. So we are of the assumption that about 255 are basically, if they are operating, they're operating illegally. Because we never, under my administration, we never issued a new license. So yung pong out of 298, we were able to purge about 255. So 42 po ngayon ang natitira.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. So from the 42 na natitira, we originally from 298, maybe we request, Mr. Chair, specifically for the names ng 298 na POGO operations na yan.
We will provide the list to the committee, Congressman Gutierrez.
Mr. Chair, at the top of your head, would it be possible to, would you have the records? Would it be possible to enumerate it now?
Yung 200 po?
Yes po.
I'll be very honest, I don't think I could. But again, Lucky South was one of them.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to retract that po. No, I understand 298 might be hard and it's hard to tell which one's
We'll just provide you,
yes.
By tomorrow we can send it already.
Yes, we'll be looking for that, Mr. Chair, and we would assume po that that list would include the owners of the it would include the beneficial ownership relating to the POGO documents that they may have submitted.
We will do that.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Thank you to Chairman Tenco. And as a conclusion, Mr. Chair, as I mentioned, I have further questions sana po for Mr. Roque and Ms. Myla Roque, but given the, as mentioned by Congresswoman Luis, we lament the fact that they're absent now. I'll be reserving questions for that. I would just like to highlight, however, from the last hearing, Mr. Harry Roque mentioned that at that time he was ready to submit documents relating to the deed of sale, which the committee secretary just intimated to me earlier that hindi po ito na-submit. I recall specifically Mr. Roque said, I am ready to prepare, I have a presentation, nandito na po yung deed of sale, I'm ready to share it with the committee, yet it was not submitted to us, Mr. Chair. So I joined, I think there was a motion or manifestation by Congresswoman G. Luis to request to subpoena the document for the deed of sale, and aside from that, other documents such as the SALIN that he mentioned. With that, Mr. Chair, as mentioned earlier, reserving questions, I'd like to give way to other interpellators. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Thank you for your indulgence, Ms. Ong.
Thank you, Congressman